Chronic fatigue costs more than you think, metabolically and financially. Waiting for chronic fatigue to get worse is expensive. So let's talk about something that most women avoid, the cost of ignoring chronic fatigue. Not the inconveniences, but the real cost. Because fatigue is rarely about getting tired. Fatigue is an early biological signals, and signals are early warnings. Most women I see that comes into my clinic, they don't come because they are tired. They come because the weight won't move, the anxiety increases, the sleep is broken, the brain fog is embarrassing, the performance dropped. Fatigue was present years before, they just adapted. But here's what happened physiologically when fatigue is ignored. Low-grade inflammation interferes with insulin signaling, thyroid conversion, T4, T3, and mitochondria efficiency. Study shows chronic fatigue symptoms correlates with elevated inflammatory cytokines. Second, blood sugar instability worsens. When cortisol is not regulated from chronic stress, glucose metabolism becomes inefficient. So that leads to energy crashes, cravings, and weight resistance. Third, cognitive function declines. Persistent fatigue to reduce executive function and the working memory. Executive function determines decision fatigue, focus, impulse control, and emotional regulation. Fourth, hormonal shifts alters dysfunction. Chronic stress suppresses progesterone, impacts estrogen balance, and alters sleep. Now, fatigue is layered with mood shifts, sleep disruptions, and weight changes. Here's the part that no one says clearly. Energy declines compounds. It does not stabilize on its own. So midlife is a pivot point and you can intervene early. Or you can compensate until dysfunction escalates. And escalation is very expensive, not just financially, but also metabolically. The longer mitochondria operates inefficiently, the more oxidative stress accumulates. Now let's talk about behavior. When women are fatigued, they move less. They choose convenient food. They rely on caffeine. They push through and they skip recovery. And those behaviors, they amplify inflammation. It goes from fatigue, compensation, inflammation, and then more fatigue. This is why ignoring early energy costs is costly. And this is why we created our 8-week energy restoration intensive the way we did, because interruption must be deliberate. Because we don't reverse chronic fatigue with one IV, one supplement, 1 week of clean eating. So restoration requires repetition, consistency, and monitoring. Our protocol includes 8 IVs, 3 metabolic injections, clinical energy assessment, and progress tracking along the way. So we intervene before the decline becomes a diagnosis. This is not a spa, this is restoration, this is proactive preventative restoration. Now I want to ask you a few very important questions. If you do nothing in the next week and the next month, what would your energy look like? What would your metabolism look like? Your resilience, your clarity. Know that early fatigue is easy to reverse than advanced dysfunction. So if you are ready to stop compensating and stop restoring, your first step is to click the link below, enroll into our 8-week energy restoration intensive so that we can start your 15-minute clinical energy assessment with me, because we're going to elevate your fatigue pattern, determine eligibility, and begin a structured intervention immediately. So I know waiting feels safe, but physiologically, it's very expensive. So click the link below and let's get started. If you are local to New Jersey, you live in the New Jersey area, Denver, Morris County area, or you don't mind driving to our clinic, this is perfect for you. Click the link below, enroll in our 8-week energy restoration intensive. But if you are not local and you're still interested in learning how we can support you on your healing journey, we do offer online programs, a root cause intensive, and a total body restoration. You can inquire below by clicking the links or going into our website or emailing us. Again, you see all the links below.